Hi guys, welcome to our channel Tips How To, and today we are going to discuss a very coolest upgrades in Windows 11 about the File Explorer tabs. Just like browser tabs, this feature lets you open multiple folders in a single window, making multitasking faster, cleaner and way more efficient. I will show you how to use tabs, all the keyboard shortcuts and a few hidden tricks you probably did not know about. So here are the process. You can see in previous, if you want to open folders, then multiple folders, it will minimize in taskbar. So now we will see how to open all these folders in one single folder under different tabs like a browser. Here are the process. Open File Explorer. Open any files and folders first, and right click on it and choose open in tab. Now if you want to open another folder, simply right click on it and choose open in another tab, and you can see all files and folders in my Windows Explorer will open in a tab like a browser. So this is a very coolest and newest feature in Windows 11. You can use, very convenient. Open in new tab, and you can see all your tabs will visible in a browser like feature. That's